Hello and welcome to another lecture of Adobe Photoshop training from Zero to Pro. In our previous lecture, we were learning about how to use smart objects. And in this lecture, we will learn how to create our own smart objects. So, stay with me. To create a new smart object, you have to create your object first, and then we have to convert it into smart object. Here you can see I have downloaded this design from internet, and also the copyrights are respected owners own them. Oh, what happened to my English? Sorry. So all the credits are to its respected owner. So let us create a rectangle first, and we have to draw the first main part here. So I will select the rectangle. I will fill its color to whatever color you want. Let us go for green. Okay. So I will draw a rectangle here. Now what you have to do is go to the select tool and press Ctrl tree or command tree. Now just press and hold the command button and drag its corner to the corner of the card like this one, and drag here, and just drag this one over here, and last but not the least, oh sorry, my bad, we have to convert this rectangle to smart object first, so that we can see this smart object icon here. Again press Ctrl T command and just click here and click here. So one more thing I want to say here, that I am not that type of guy who will draw or do some pixel perfect or very perfect tutorials. I make mistakes, so you can learn also how to correct mistakes and how to avoid mistakes. That's my logic. Okay, we have drawn this rectangle, and before resizing or replacing it, we have converted it into smart object. I think a bit of here is missing. Command tree, button, and just adjusting a little bit here. Okay. Okay, let's zoom out. So here is our smart object number one. What about the card that is laying below here? We can draw an object over here with our pen tool. Make sure that you have selected, sorry, new layer, not combine, not subtract, not intersect, or not exclude, just the new layer option. And you will start drawing from here and to here and to here and to here. Again click here and just close it. So again right click and convert to smart objects. So we have two smart objects here. Now let me arrange this one too. Okay, again Control T, Command T. No, the direct selection tool, so we can adjust its node. Control H. What? The direct selection tool. Oh, what is going wrong here? Direct selection tool, and okay, it's a smart object. We have converted into smart object. Let us undo it. Control Alt C. Now it's a shape. Why are you not selecting? Okay, here you go. Now convert it into smart object. So we have two smart objects here. One is over here, which is a rectangle. Let me rename it to the top, and the bottom here is the BOTTOM bottom. Just click on this icon, not on the layer name, not here. Double click on this icon, and we will have a card shape here. Let me open the card design. I also downloaded it from the internet, and the copyrights are wholly solely the property of this respected owner. Okay, so I have a card here. Oh, so what? Open card to. Okay, so I will going to copy. I'm going for to select tool and just going to copy this whole card here. Select Command C or Control C and just paste it over here. And I will do here, I can do the stretching part, Alt T, and here. Okay, I should have created the rectangle a bit wider. Okay, no problem. So I haven't saved this document yet, and the card is just green here. But whenever I press the Control S button or Command S button, you can see the card is now here. Let me create a brush and just draw roughly here and here and here and here. Like for Command S, Control S, and you can see all these changes are being applied on this layer. Now come to the bottom layer, this one. Double click on this icon again. Now we have this layer, the design here. So again I will go to card tool and select the selection tool and just drag this selection to your bottom card here. Command C, copy. Now we can close this one, don't save, and paste here. Now the trick here is that you have to tilt your card or rotate your card according to the shape so that it can fit on this shape. Again Alt Shift to resize it, and you can see. Now here comes the advanced or the tricky part. We cannot see what is behind this layer. So what we can do is that we can decrease its opacity so we can see how our card is going to be displayed. We can again drag our card here, okay, like here. Very good. So now press command key or control key and click on this layer so we can turn on the selection. And keep in mind that the layer 1 or the card layer must be selected. Now press this key combination Command Shift I or Control Shift I to inverse the selection and just delete. And now you can see we have only the part of card here. Now press Control S and go back to here, and you can see that the card is now being placed here. Yes, there are some refinement needs to be done, but you can do it by yourself. And this is how you can create your own smart objects and do multiple things with them. So if you have any queries, I will leave the email in my bio in the instructor's description. You can email me and ask things. The question answer session will be there, and I will happy to help if you have any problem. Thank you. That's it for today.